Man, you plan to kill some turkeys in them bright yellow, bright orange boots?
I thought they couldn't see.
Man, what are you writing on there? The turkey slayer. Alright. Okay. We are headed to pick up Wayne right now. So I just got here to the house. We're going down the road, pick up Wayne. We're gonna ease in here. See if we can get on this turkey that we roosted yesterday evening.
Oh shoot!
There he is. They scared him.
You good gracious alive.
We got some chairs in the back.
Huh? We've been up all night. I believe it.
Just get on the back here somewhere.
Alright guys.
Let's go.
pretty too, man.
Dude, that was awesome, man.
That was picture perfect, man.
Thank you, Jesus.
What can I get on another one?
Oh yeah. That was a shot too, man.
Oh yeah. What do you think? 60 yards? 50 yards?
Probably
At least.
45, 50 at least.
Yeah.
Rolled him.
50 yards. That was a long shot, dude.
Yeah, it was.
I think about 45, 50 yards.
Ooh, mama gonna be mad now. Heck yeah. Hey, that's a double bearded turkey, ain't it? That's a nice turkey there.
Yeah, it's been all over it, man. Look, man, he hit his leg.
We would have waited to let him get a little closer, but the card was flashing, saying my card was full. I forgot to clear my card last night.
Camera operator error.
Well, we had the decoy. She was right there, and
Right there at that red water.
it's almost like he was shooting a slug.
Almost. Shot his beard off.
I was aiming at him.
What do you think that is?
Knocked him down.
He may be pushing that.
Yeah.
Hey, like I told you yesterday, if he comes in his beard curve, that's what I've always been taught. That's a
Hey.
nice turkey there.
I've been trying to get him for a while,
How long you been after this turkey?
but
2 or 3 weeks now.
it's pretty heavy.
Been playing
About all
Houdini,
season, yeah. He's always pulling a Houdini on me.
Yeah.
But his Houdini days are over.
Oh,
Got him this time.
Well, once again, the turkey slayer did it. Got a turkey in the back. And got my coffee sipping.
I tell you what, that was a good hunt, wasn't it?
Good hunt.
Man,
We accomplished what we set out to do.
we came to get the swamp bird, and that's,
Exactly what we did.
I'll tell you what, we came in here yesterday, we was actually standing on this same hill we standing on right now. As you can see, shoot, you can see probably a mile across this cutover, and we got the swamp right here. We can't tell y'all where we're at now, but the river's right there, the old Yakanukini. And we came down here and Wayne was shooting. He's had a few encounters this year with his bird, hadn't you?
Yeah, but I hadn't been able to get on him for one reason or the other. He always Houdini'd me, got away.
Well, I tell you what, he came out in that trail. We set the decoy up at daylight, before daylight, and I actually had him in one spot. Wayne said, well, you need to move him down here. So I moved him. Glad I did, because if I'd have left him there, he probably would have hung up and probably wouldn't have got him. But that hen, she come right down that trail.
Come right up to the decoy. And I don't know what she done after she got to the decoy, because I couldn't see her anymore.
She veered off about, I don't know, 5 yards before she got to the decoy. She veered off, went back in the woods. Yeah, I was waiting for her.
I know
He kept seeing that decoy. He kept seeing that decoy up there. So
Well,
I was waiting for that hen to bust, because we're at what? 5, 10
she
yards?
was 5
We're
feet
right
from
in
us. She was
front.
right in front of us. I got a little footage of her walking in, but
we was in that broom sage. Kept us out.
butted right up against that brush pile. We talked about that brush pile yesterday, and we stood right here with these binoculars. Seen the bird walk in the woods. We said, we're gonna go down here, we're gonna set up on that brush pile, and we're gonna execute a plan. And
Looking back at that, first we said we're going to set up on them 2 small ones. And if we would have set up on them 2 small ones, we probably would have faced this way. What y'all think?
oh yeah,
And if so, that way we had to wait for
He'd
the turkey to come up.
he'd have to come
he
by.
would. Yeah, I think he probably would. It wouldn't worked out as well.
hey, it happened just how we planned. He strutted up that darn road good, but The old turkey slayer, huh? We wrote turkey slayer on it this morning. Look at it now.
Yep.
Hauling out the meat.
That's a nice bird too, man.
Yep.
Nice beard. Looked like you shot him with a slug though.
Broke that wing, turned him around. That's the way. Broke that wing right there. Knocked a big old hole in him.
Darn. Good turkey.
Hammered him.
Yeah.
Let's go get another one.
Let's do it.
Or a biscuit.
Biscuit, then another.
Then another one.
Y'all stay tuned.
Yeah.
Oh, there's some more. Oh man,
How many hours?
man,
How many hours?
we made it happen. We made it happen.
Absolutely smoking, dude.